going to discuss on the topic right to property in India. After the Indian independence, when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950, the right to property was included as fundamental right under Article 19, Subclause 1, Subclause 1 F and Article 31 in Part 3, making it an enforceable right. However, during the first decade of independence era, it was felt that the right to property as a fundamental right was a great impediment in ushering a just socio-economic order and a source of conflict when the state was to acquire private property for public purpose, particularly expansion of railroad and industries, etc. In order to get rid of this hurdle, the Supreme Court in the historic case known as Fundamental Right case held that the right to property is no part of the basic structure of the Constitution, and therefore Parliament can acquire or take away private property of person for concerned good and in public interest. Thereafter, Parliament passed the Constitution 44th Amendment, which made right to property an ordinary legal right under Article 300A. However, the Supreme Court in one of the cases has made it clear that the executive cannot deprive a person of his right to property without the authority of law. The state can acquire a person's property for public purpose on payment of compensation, which need not to be necessarily just equivalent of the value of property so acquired, but such compensation must not be illusionary and irrationally and disproportionate. Thank you.